everybody, it's Miss Susan. Are you ready for another story time? I bet you are. Well, today we're going to talk about birds, and we're going to read some fun stories and learn all about birds. But before we get started, let's sing our song, The More We Get Together. Ready, set, go. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good job! Pat on the back for a job well done. Great job, everybody. Okay, so our first story is learning about birds. So this is called Forest Explorer. So let's take a look at this. Let me scoot in just a little bit closer. Okay, so let's explore. Welcome, Forest Explorers. Today we will be looking for birds. We will learn what they eat, where they live, and how to find them. So, a budding forest explorer will need the following: boots, binoculars, a notebook, and birdseed. Parts of a bird. So there are lots of different types of birds, and depending on where you live, you will find different birds living in the forest. So, although birds often look different, they have the same parts. All birds have feathers on their bodies, but some are more colorful than others. Like, for example, if you look at this bird, this is his bill, his breast, claws, legs, tail, wings, neck, and his head. You guys see all that? Those are the basic parts of a bird. So no matter what color the bird is, those are the things you should always be able to find when looking at a bird. So, types of birds. You can tell bird species apart by their markings. Markings are the colors and patterns of their feathers. These are unique to species. So this one is a white-throated rock thrush. It has unique orange, here we go. There's blue markings and orange markings. So that's what makes it a white-throated rock thrush bird. Some birds spend a lot of their time in water. They might have webbed feet to help them swim. See their webbed feet? This is a duck, and a duck is a bird. All right. So, looking for birds. Keep your eyes open for signs that birds are in the forest. These can include a nest, footprints, and feathers on the ground. So those are just a few things to let you know that birds are near you. If you find some evidence of birds, you should quietly watch from a distance with your binoculars because the birds might return. Seasons. Some birds migrate. This is when birds travel to different parts of the world. They usually travel to somewhere warmer and with more food. So birds will return when the weather gets warmer. So you can see those birds starting to head out for warmer pastures. Try taking notes about the birds that live in your forest in the summer. Are the same birds there in the winter time? Really good question. Bird habitats. Every animal has a special habitat. This is the area they live in, which gives them all the things that they need to survive. So, some birds, like ducks, need a habitat that has water with fish and insects. Some birds have special diets and need to live near a special type of food. Bird food. Insects, seeds, pine cones, small mammals, and worms are all parts of a diet of forest birds. This bird has found a tasty worm. Ooh. You might come across a bird feeder while you are exploring the forest. People make these to help birds find food more easily. Bird feeders are great for bird watching. Get your binoculars ready. Bird homes. Birds build nests out of twigs and other small things in the forest. This nest is where they sleep and where they will hatch their eggs. Most birds build their nests high up in the trees where it is safe from predators. Some birds build their nests inside trees, such as woodpeckers. Bird watching. Have you spotted any bird tracks yet? If not, you can encourage birds to visit an area by making food available for them. Seeds and nuts are a good choice. Set your bird food somewhere you can watch from a safe distance. You might have to wait a while, but keep watching that food. Keep a record of the birds you see. Keeping notes. So when you do see birds while exploring, it's important to keep careful notes. This way you will be able to identify them later. See how this student drew a picture of the feathers and the bird that they saw? You can note the color, size, and special markings of the bird. Who knows, explorer? You might discover new species of bird. If you did, what would you call it? The end. Wowzers, that was some really great information. Ducks have webbed feet. Birds have special markings to identify what species they are. That was pretty amazing. All right, so how about we count birds? Would you like to help me count birds? Can you hold your hands like this? Let's count. Let's see how many birds are in the nest. Ready, set, go. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little birdies, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little birdies, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little birdies, 10 little birdies in the nest. All right, let's count backwards. Ready, set, go. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little birdies, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little birdies, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little birdies, 1 little birdie in the nest. Good job! Pat on the back for a job well done. Great job! All right, speaking of nests and birds in a nest, what about this book? Not Your Nest. Now, what does that look like? That looks like a zebra. Zebras don't live in a nest, do they? No, they don't. Huh, I wonder what this silly story is all about. All right, so this yellow bird says, "This is my nest." All right, let me see if I can get it there. There we go. So, I designed it. I searched for its sticks. I hope it will be as comfy as planned. All the work has made me sleepy. Just one last piece and... Oh, I'm sorry. This is not your nest. That's okay. You can build another. I guess I could. That bird took over that little yellow bird's nest. That's not fair. All right, so this is my new nest. I designed it. I searched for its sticks. And hey, I'm very comfortable. I think I will stay. Sorry. All right, but nests are for birds, not for... What? Looks like a warthog. Oh my gosh. I live in a dirty hole. This is better. Thank you. This is getting ridiculous. Would you look at the view? Look, the gorilla's in his nest now. Oh my gosh. Ugh, what a scare. An alligator. Ah! What's that? Is that a giraffe in a nest? That is really silly. It's yours. I don't see your name on it. Go away. Or I think it says mine. It fits me better. You must understand. Now an elephant, really, in a bird's nest? Doesn't make sense. Oh, and look, a whole family of animals. Oh my gosh. This poor yellow bird, what's he gonna do? Please, my wings are tired and the ground is too far away and I have no wings. Let me consider no. I guess the zebra's not moving. Perhaps I need something other than sticks. I wonder what the yellow bird's gonna come up with. Rumble, 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 rumble. Bam! Ooh, looks like he got a friend to hang into the tree. I wonder what's gonna happen to all the animals. Oh! They all fell down out of the nest. This was my nest. Poor guy. Looks like everybody's trying to get back up into the tree. Look at what they did. They all worked together to make a gigantic nest. This is your nest. The sticks are sturdy, the grass is soft, and I can certainly recommend the view. We hope it's as comfy as planned. Oh, they all start to leave. Wait! This is not my nest. This is our nest. Aw, he's gonna share. And this one, looks like he's got some more sticks. What's he gonna do? Is my nest. It looks like he did create a small one for himself. Aww, that's so cute. I don't think those animals are supposed to be in the nest though. Are you? Do you? It was still funny. They all shared in the end. So that's what really counts. Oh, what a cute story. All right, here's another really silly story. You guys like these pigeon books? I love these pigeon books. They're so funny. And this one is The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. How many of you like hot dogs? Miss Susan loves hot dogs. All right, let's see what this pigeon does when he finds a hot dog. Ooh, a hot dog. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ah. And this little duck comes up. May I help you? Is that a hot dog? Not a hot dog. It's my hot dog. I have a question. I've never had a hot dog before. What does it taste like? Well, they say that they are a taste sensation. Each morsel is a joy, a celebration, and a bun. If you've never experienced the splendor of a hot dog, you should really wait a second. This hot dog is mine. I found it. Of course, enjoy. Go ahead. Would you say that it tastes like chicken? Can you believe this guy? What? It just tastes like a hot dog, okay? Okay. So, it doesn't taste like chicken then? Oh, for Pete's sake. Hey, I'm a curious bird. That's it! I think the pigeon's getting upset. This is my hot dog, right? Mine. This is unbelievable. Finders keepers is what I say. I'm a curious bird. What does it taste like? Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, right. I can't take it anymore. What am I supposed to do? I think I've got an idea. I wonder what his idea is. You know, you're pretty smart for a duckling. Needs mustard. So it looks like they shared the hot dog. Aw, isn't that cute? 2 books about sharing. I love it. So awesome. You guys want to sing a song about birds? Hold on a sec. I dropped some puppets. Hang on. So, I've got 2 little bluebirds. One is named Devin, and one is named Dee. Would you like to meet them? Okay. Here's Devin, and here's Dee. Hi, guys. We're going to sing 2 little bluebirds, and the song goes like this. 2 little bluebirds sitting in a tree, one named Devin and one named Dee. Fly away, Devin, fly away, Dee. Come back, Devin, come back, Dee. Let's try that again. Ready, set, go. 2 little bluebirds sitting in a tree, one named Devin and one named Dee. Fly away, Devin, fly away, Dee. Come back, Devin, come back, Dee. Woohoo! Can you say bye to the bluebirds? So cute. All right, let's see what other stories Miss Susan has. How about a book just called Birds? Let's take a look at this story. So in the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow, they can be blue, or brown, or red, or green, I think. Sometimes they are so black that you can't even see them. Their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. Birds can be big. That's a flamingo. Birds can be small. That's a hummingbird. Or any size in between. Once I saw 7 birds on a telephone wire. They didn't move. And they didn't move. And they didn't move. I looked away for just a second, and they were gone. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. Man, if we saw them do this with their tail feathers, look at all that. It's actually a really pretty design. All right. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this. Or this. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. Can you guys see him? If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away, at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled. So all of these are birds. Surprise! If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go. And when it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests, I like to pretend that I'm a bird. I mean, I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. So cute. Very cute. All right. One last story. It's a little story. It's called Little Green. It's about a hummingbird, one of the smaller birds. Let's take a look. I see you out there, little green. In the flowers and in between. Zipping round and round and round. Jigging, jagging, down, up, down. Dip, dip, dipping, sip, sip, sipping. Looping in a circle cue. Little green, I still see you. Going, coming, softly humming. Stopping, starting, dashing, darting. Zigging, zagging everywhere. I love books that turn around. Hovering up and in the air. Coming for a closer view. I wonder if you see me too. Well, I've been busy watching you and painting how you flew and flew. The end. Oh, I love these bird books. Yay! Did you like the bird books? The bird books were a lot of fun, weren't they? Okay, everybody, Miss Susan's story time is done, but don't worry. Miss Susan has lots of other story times that your parents can find. But we do have to say goodbye for now. Can you guys wave like this? All right, let's sing our goodbye song. Excuse me. Ready, set, go. We wave our hands like this. We wave our hands like this. Clap your hands for all your friends. We wave our hands like this. We'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.